Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy here, Roblox Tutorial Zone, and today we're gonna be fixing the bugs in the Piggy thingy-mabob in our Piggy game, because there was a tiny bit of bugs in it. So yeah, let's because I'm gonna show you guys there is like a few bugs. For an example, if I click on play and then wait for our round to start up. Oh, this takes so long to load, guys. Well, not really, but I like to say it takes a long time. Oh yeah, I don't know why it glitched. I think I already told you guys this, but I think that person, because remember how we had to change the icon? If you guys didn't use the same icon as me, then that's fine. It's just, I'm pretty sure I already told you guys. I think the person that made it took it down. Oh yeah, the back button, it doesn't work. It doesn't, stop it in the middle of it, and it'll glitch out, I guess. Oh, what the heck just happened? Well, here's an example. So, basically, I think in the actual Piggy game, I don't think there is a back button. So, I'm gonna... Oof. I don't really want to redo those scripts. So I think we're gonna have to leave it. Just trying to think. When the... Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the back button, and we're gonna open up any script. It doesn't matter. Then you'll see this little find thing up here. Click on the little arrow, and then go down till you find all. Click on it. This thing might appear, or it might appear somewhere else. I don't know. Well, wanna know what you wanna write? Back BTN or something like that. And then eventually, see how we found this one? We don't want the back button, so we'll just get rid of this thing. And then you can get rid of this one as well. So now, let's test it out. There shouldn't be a back button anymore. I don't want a back button. You guys can keep it, it'll glitch out the game. And I don't think the original Piggy game has it either. Oh yeah, he connects out this now. Oh, what did I just do? Oopsies. There we go. I think it's like that or something. Hold up. Slash. That. Ow. beats last time? To be honest, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way and copy and paste this little thing. Because why not? Okay. So then we'll delete this. That should have been it. So stop your game, click yes. If that appears, click yes. It should save all the changes you just did. Now click play again. All the errors should disappear from the output. My mouse pad keeps moving. I think because I've been using my computer all day. So yeah, I think that's why. Now if I click on play, it should give 0 errors and it's working. There's no back button anymore. As you can see, for to click down here, won't bring us back because we don't want that. It glitched out the game. And we don't want it because if you have a back button, the round will keep going even if there's nobody in here. It's because it's in a while loop, so we can't fix that. It would have to be fixed with some other stuff, which we don't want to do. We might re-add it some other time, but not now. We don't need it now. In my opinion, it's not that important. But the only thing that does suck, though, about it is when we're doing that. Oh, yeah, I remember something. So, I remember when I was ending the episode last time, it, like, oh, where is it? The script. Here. Oh, no. Oh, do I have to manually open it? Or... Huh? What did I mess up? No. I think I deleted the script on accident. No, I didn't. It was like deleted for some reason. I didn't see it every time I would search up like local. That's weird. Anyhow, oh yeah. So down here, let me just check my Roblox Studio window quickly. Oops. That's wonderful. I think it got messed up. So, oops. We'll just X out of that for now. I don't. Write new frame that visible equals false. Or, no, new frame is on back. Intermission frame, that's what it was. There we go. Make sure you have your intermission frame off, and I think leave your shadow on, I'm pretty sure. Either leave it on or turn it off. I'm going to leave it on and see if that makes anything glitched. But if it isn't, then that's good. To be honest, I need to start thinking before I make a video. I need to start thinking of what I'm gonna say. That's why I keep saying in the middle of my videos, cause I do not know. I just try to come up with what I'm saying while I'm talking. Player, oh, totally just player, right? Ha ha ha. Okay, so as you guys can see, that worked. Oh yeah, it's still amazing. I'm just gonna run around. Nah, we're gonna check something quickly. So it destroys itself after 20 seconds. Oh, the shadow was too much then. So, no shadow. Then that's false. In our main frame, we're just gonna copy this and paste it, because we're gonna make sure that our play BTN and our shop BTN are shown. Same with our title. We're gonna do main frame colon find, not wait for child. We're gonna find the first child instead. And we're going to find the first child, and then we're going to write play BTN. Oops. And then we're going to put quotation mark and then end parenthesis. Make sure it's invisible. We want to make sure the stuff's visible. So then, if that's true, we're going to change this one to shop BTN. Oh yeah, it's either going to be the next episode or the episode after that. It's either going to be this episode's 8, so it's either going to be 9 or 10, or I'm going to add the shop function. I haven't added that in my testing yet, so yeah. And then I also have to duplicate this back over, because remember how it got messed up. So yeah, but anyhow, title is true. We just want to do this stuff, so because we're trying to make sure basically that it is gonna work. And right after this, I'll be back right after this. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the recording after this, because I have to go do something, because I was just looking at the time. Okay. Whoa, OBS makes my mouse dark right here, but whenever I go over here, it makes it light. That's freaky. But yeah. I originally had trouble with making a player here, but I fixed it. I was having trouble when I was originally doing my testing. Whoa. Oh, jumping around. Oh, what a normal day it is. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We're gonna have to make a room for the killer. And stuff like that. Oh, and it worked. And we got the print of house. We can click play again. It should. Oh wow, there's nothing there. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I've reopened up the Piggy, the other one, and this one should be the right one. It is. So actually, I did it a little bit different, so that means I don't have to duplicate it. That's good. Because I did something, I think, in the game handler that made it different. So, add one, subtract one. Then the map, add one, subtract one. So we'll fire all clients. I'm just checking something. Oh yeah, I gotta update my website. I forgot about that. Oh, sorry about that. Clock. I haven't done that one yet. The clock is the, like the timer, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait, I didn't find all clock. I'm just searching for something quickly. Boom. Oh, that's why I was telling you guys to do the find all. No, that just finds it in that. We need to do, I think it is just the find. Or, no it isn't, it can't be. Not that either. Find next. Has to be, right? No. To be honest, I don't know. Oops. I'm trying not to make this that long, but... Oh, wait, I found it. I'm so cool. Okay. So, local. Do we have a variable local time yet? Not variable. Remote event. No, we do not. Oh, wait. No, time. Time is, the, move. Oh, wait, I already have that. Never mind. It's not called time anymore. It was the map destroy variable. Alright. So now, I don't think we have this yet in our configs. No, we do. Then game. This thingy. Basically, this, is gonna be to make it so then I'm pretty sure this should make it so a player can join, I think, if it's like, doesn't matter, I don't think. And it doesn't matter. It, like, makes it then if the game is started, then, if somebody hasn't been in it and they click play, then they just join the round. But, make a variable, local, in-game, equals, game.replicated storage, wait for child, configs, then we're going to do a wait for child again, then the in-game. Basically, we are, you guys obviously know the game. It's not the workspace, it's this. Then the replicated storage, that. And we're waiting for the configs to make sure it already loaded in. And then we're also making sure that we're waiting to make sure this thing loads in, the in-game. And then we're going to create another local timer, is going to be called. It's going to be equal to 60 for 60 seconds, but I'm not going to make mine a minute. Mine is going to be 20. And then we will do... Okay. So, you can delete this wait. That doesn't matter anymore. Write a print. And we're printing our map clone. And now we're going to do a local char for character. Oops. It's going to be equal to our map clone dot character. Oops. Because remember how when it was originally, remember how this is our character, like the player in this? Well, if we're finding the character of that, then it's going to be the one in the workspace. And now we're going to change the in-game's value. It's going to be equal to true. And then the timer is going to be equal to how long it's supposed to be equal to. And then we're going to write some brand new ifs. And we also can do a little bit of copy and pasting after we're done. Like after we're done making this one if, we can copy and paste that again. So we're going to write if workspace dot map dot value equals, oops, in quotation marks, write house. It's just like that. And then write then, enter. It's basically that. But inside of here, we're going to write char dot humanoid root part dot cframe. Because our C-frame, oops, make sure the C and the F are both capitalized. The C-frame, we're basically we're teleporting our humanoid root part to the thing. So we're going to do equal to workspace colon find for child house. And then we'll do colon wait for child. Parentheses, quotation marks, spawns. Dot spawn dot C-frame space plus plus vector 3 dot new 0 comma 5 comma 0. We're teleporting the person 5 studs in the air. The first one is the X, which we don't want to move them straight and backwards. Then the last one is Z, or also known as Z, people call it, which is left and right, and then this one is Y, up and down. So positive is up and negative is down. We want positive, so we're teleporting them 5 studs up. It's because we don't want the player to get stuck in the floor. So now, this is what I meant by copying and pasting. We can just copy it and then press enter, paste it. And then just change only a few things. CH equal school, copy, paste. Okay. So now we're going to write something else. So hold up. Let me just quickly. So we're basically going to write a repeat wait. And then inside of this, we're going to do game.replicated storage, colon wait for child, configs, colon, wait for child, parentheses, quotation marks. So, usually, people that make Piggy tutorials, they usually use the same status. Well, we aren't going to use that because I don't want to interfere with any other scripts and mess up my thing, right? So, we're just going to, and, yeah. We can actually duplicate the status value. And you guys can rename it to timer status. The new one. So now, here's the new one. So now we can wait for our timer status. Dot value is going to be equal to timer. And then press enter again. Enter. I'm going to do it twice. Then timer is going to be equal to our timer again, minus 1. Basically, I'm just trying to think. Basically what this is doing, this thing, it's doing the game, finding the replicated storage, waiting for your configs again, but then it's also waiting for our timer status, and then after that, it's changing the value of it to our timer, and it's repeating it. So we are going to have to put something in our until, but in a minute. We just have to put one more thing after this. Wait 1. So no, wait 1 second. This just subtracts it. If you didn't have this wait 1, then it could possibly, well, if you didn't have this wait, it could possibly crash your studio. If you had it like this, then it would just keep going, like, it would basically be milliseconds. We want it to be per second. And then our until, we're going to write timer. I think of it like this. Our until is kind of like an if, because you know how in an if we have to write equals to equals and not just equals. You have to do that too, but you don't put it then. Do not put it then. It's just like that. And we're going to press enter again and write wait and then timer. So it's going to do that, and then it's going to wait our timer somehow. And then it's going to, we're going to do our in-game dot value equals false. And then our timer is going to be equal back to our 20. Okay, so that's our timer thing, but that's not the complete timer. Because if you were to test it out right now, it would basically not change the timer at all. Let me just put up the script, okay. Because it's not going to be able to access this because we have no script in it. So you want to add a local script so it's locally to everybody. So yeah, it's a simple script. It's just a while true do. Or you can do, I usually do a wait do. I've lately been doing that instead of true. It's just sometimes I did true because I'm going to do true, though, instead of wait. You guys can do a while wait. Because I've learned that when I was learning on how to script, I learned to use true, not wait. But we're going to do script.parent, which is going to be this script, and then the parent, dot the text, because we're getting the text. It's going to be equal to the game.replicate storage. So our replicated storage, and we're waiting for our child of the configs. You guys get where this is going, right? Colon wait for child again. But then, after that, parentheses, quotation marks, our timer status. And then put after this dot value, just like that. And then if you're doing a while wait, like this, you don't have to do anything else. But if you're doing a while true do, put a wait. And then I think I'm trying to make sure that we have our things right. So add player, add vote, clock, create vote, map destroy, remove all votes, remove player, move vote, and visible. I was just making sure that because I don't know if I made it, because I don't think your player can get re-added. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I think I did do that though. So I'm trying to see how long have I been recording. Oh, wow, 30 minutes. I'm sorry this is taking a long time, just like usual, because I try to explain this, and yeah, like I said, I don't know what to say. And usually the people that are usually like making videos, they like type super fast, or they'll make tiny scripts, which we want big scripts, so we don't have as many episodes, right? I'm trying to play test both of them to make sure that they're both okay. So it's added me on both because I want to I want to see if my other one adds a player or not. I want to make sure they're both working. So then if I play test it later, because I'm possibly gonna add the shop later, or who knows. I don't want to mess it up. Well, I don't want to be like, oh, it's probably doing something, right? So I want to make sure they're both working. So I'm looking at both outputs. They both look okay. This one. Oh, as you guys can see, the timer's working. That's wonderful. It's 60 on there, so it's a whole minute takes for my other one. But this one, it's working fine. Hooray, I can jump up and down. The only thing that does suck, though, is you guys would have to find a different tutorial if you wanted to do something like this. If you wanted to make it, oh, whoa. Oh. I messed it up. Do not, when you're in the script, make sure it's not in-game.value like I wrote. It's just in-game. Oh yeah, and your player's name should have printed out. So yeah. Four, three, two, one. I cut it there. So I could, do this and let's see. It did re-add me. Okay. I'm gonna make the round a tiny bit shorter by adding this. Paste. And I'm pasting it right here. I don't think we need this, but I'll keep it. Why not? So we're only going to wait 10 seconds on purpose because, oh yeah, and this is going to prove to you guys that, basically, after 10 seconds, it will, the little thingy-mabob will change up there. That little timer GUI thing. The hilarious thing is that your mouse cursor changes whenever you're on something. So, like, see how it's white here? I don't know if OBS is going to... Oh, shoot. Will OBS pick this up? Oh, yes, it is. Oh, sweet. See? And then we go on this. Okay. And voila, it's 10, 9, 8, 7, and it printed out my username already. 6, 5, 4, and it should end after 3, 2, 1, 0. Over. The whole game's over. Look. Ta-da! And it reprinted out my name and house. And now we click play, and nothing. So I don't know what happened, because I somehow made it so it would re-put my character? What? To be honest, I think that's in the visible script. Let me just check. We've done a lot. It has to be the game handler. It's just, I don't see a difference. I think I found it. I think. Not 100%. So it's in the if, wait for calculate. Oh wait. Oh, it's different on here. Ah, it is! It's in this. Okay. I found it. So I basically forgot about this. I set my in-game. Actually, we already had the in-game dot value, don't we? No. We will have to write dot value. So in-game dot value for this one is going to be equal to false. Because when it first starts, it's going to be set to false. And we're going to do our events dot remove all votes. Fire all clients. So remember how we're deleting the player string that we're re-adding it? Well, this is removing the votes, and since it's removing it, it's going to re-add them. So when it re-adds it, it should re-add my picture. I'm just Xing out of these. So we're going to keep this open, click on this, and click play, and it should work. If this works, then the next episode definitely will be shop. It just, we'll have to add, we'll have to add skins for the player. I'll add temporary skins. I'll also have to add currency. There we go. I'll also have to add that. Also, currently, as you guys can see, my Piggy game just says your game's title. Well, in order for me to be able to do the shops, I need to know what skins I want to make, because I kind of want to release this as a real game. So I I kind of need your guys' help a little bit on helping me coming up with a name for my game. So if you guys could give me any suggestions for a game name, then I would be happy to do that for you. I mean, I would be happy to do it, like, as the name that you guys chose. But yeah. So, okay, please work. Oh no, it didn't. Oh no. To be honest, I don't know. I do not remember. That's the thing. So, yeah. I'm trying to think. What is the clock for? Oof. Okay. So that narrows it down. Oops, sorry about that. I hit my mic. I was just looking at it and it said it was fire all clients. So that means it's only in one of the local scripts. To be honest, I think I did something when it's adding the player and removing the player in the intermission client, I think. Yup. Ah, shoot. That's what I did. I was wondering what was going on. Basically, I renamed because... Oh, wait, no, I left that the same. I thought I renamed that. No, I added something called local players frame. Is going to be equal to script.parent. And we're going to wait for the child of players frame. We're going to copy this. Paste it underneath, so like on the remove, I think. Not on the remove all, only this one. And then I think I left all the rest the same. And then I deleted players frame up here because we're redoing, because I remember it now. Because we're only calling it once. So every time we add the player, we're calling it again. So it's reloading the player's frame because we removed it. So it's reloading it. That's basically why. Now it should all work. I'm so stupid sometimes. That should be literally it. So, nope. And then later, which will be some other time for you guys, it will actually, next episode, I'm trying to confirm it. I'm going to confirm it now, right now. Next episode, I'm going to do the shop. And also, this should be an infinite game. So now you can just keep replaying it. And you can actually play now. So, oh, it didn't change. I think because that's only locally. So, does that appear for you? I don't know. Play. 11, 10, 9. Look, our character's back. Oh, that's amazing. It's because we had to reload it. And if we were to go back to the output, there should be no errors. Yes, and then this should work. I have the biggest smile on my face right now. And then, oh shoot, editing's gonna be a nightmare. No! I'm just kidding. It should be fine. We're back in the round. So yeah, that's all for this episode, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below so you'll never miss one of my videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye. I, the Redstone Ruler, am out. Have a safe and fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. And I'm out. So yeah. Bye. I may or may not have fixed it. I know I just did my outro. Well, I may or may not have fixed it. So I'm trying to see if I did. Let's hope I did. Oh yeah, sorry about that cut. This was unexpected. I'll show you guys quick. I'll show you guys what I did if this works. Oh shoot, I never clicked play. So stupid. I'm wondering why it wasn't working. So, let's test it out. Because I remember the thing got glitched. Oh, there you go. So that must have fixed it. We'll just do one more test. One more test. And then I'll show you guys the actual code. We just gotta confirm it's working. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Yeah. Oh, I'm so tired. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! It actually worked. I'm such a genius, guys. All I did was go into our, what did I do? In our local map destroy, I deleted this local new frame from up here, and I put it down here, and then it worked. So yeah. Now goodbye, guys. So yeah, peace.